So hello everybody. I'll try to avoid static on this one. I don't know why there was so much static, but someone had a question on problem 4 here of 7, specifically part C. So I want to show you how I calculated part C, and it worked out perfectly. First of all, for part A, you would just use the general weighted average cost of capital equation, okay? And basically it would come out with this number. Here's the weighted average cost of capital. And for B, all you got to do is just calculate the value, the levered value of the company using the given free cash flows. And here is the weighted average cost of capital you would put in. So does everyone see that? That comes from part A. So the net present value comes out to be 84.68 million. So you would do this project. Now for part C, it's going to maintain its debt equity ratio, right? And here's the debt to value ratio, and you would put the difference between the value minus the equity to get the debt, and here's the equity plus debt. So so you have a multiplier here of 0.28, okay, for the debt to value ratio that you get here. Now, how do I get these numbers? Well, this one here, 184.68, I calculated from there. Okay, I got that there. All right. Now, the next question was, where did these two numbers come from? These two numbers. Well, I basically do everything I did here, except I take this one off. I remove this one. So I just do this to the first power and this to the second power. Okay. So let me open up Excel, and you'll see I got here. I'll click on that. Here's the numbers I used, all right? 153.304. Here's the equation, okay? And for the third number, I got 69.489, just using this equation, H3 over I3, okay? So that's all I did to get these two values, okay? This was two terms, and this was the last term. All right, so there's the two numbers that I got, exactly matches their numbers. I'll click on it again, 153.3 and 69 point roughly 49, right? So I got those two numbers. Then I just take all three of these numbers, right? And get the debt capacity. To get the debt capacity, it's D that I calculated here times the levered value, which is all here. So I take 0.28, multiply that by that, and get this. 0.28 times that, and get this. And 0.28 times that, and we get this. Okay, that's it. So that's all you had to do was, discount this, this and this back to here, and then discount this back to here. Okay, and that was it. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let me know if you still have questions. Have a good weekend, everybody.